Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change leverage on the Vantage app. First, open the Vantage app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Next, go to the Trade option. At the bottom menu, tap on Trade, the second option. Next, access the leverage settings. On the top right corner, tap the three dots. From the menu, select leverage. Next, change your leverage. From here, you can adjust your leverage based on your preference. Keep in mind, this option is only available for live accounts, not demo accounts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change leverage in the Vantage app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.